Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of GearUP Booster, something every serious gamer or esports enthusiast needs to know about. If you've ever been frustrated with high ping, lag spikes or poor server routing while gaming online, this might just be the tool that changes your experience entirely. In this video, we're going to explore what GearUP Booster is all about, its main features, how it's priced, the pros and cons, and finally I'll give you a honest conclusion on whether it's the best game booster in 2025. First up, what exactly is GearUP Booster? GearUP Booster is a real-time network optimization tool designed to reduce ping, fix packet loss, and improve overall network stability when playing online games. It's built especially for gamers who struggle with unstable connections, lag spikes, or poor routing to game servers, and these are issues that are unfortunately all too common depending on your location or ISP. What makes GearUP particularly interesting is its focus on intelligent routing. Instead of just offering a one-size-fits-all VPN solution, it actively analyzes your network conditions and routes your traffic through the fastest and most stable path to the game server. It's almost like giving your internet a shortcut through traffic, and the difference can be pretty dramatic. Whether you're playing battle royale games like PUBG and Apex Legends, fast-paced shooters like CS2 and Valorant, or even MMOs and mobile games, GearUP is designed to work seamlessly in the background, optimizing everything in real time. The platform supports PC, console, and mobile gaming, and unlike traditional VPN that can sometimes make gaming worse by slowing you down, GearUP focuses exclusively on improving game performance. And it's especially popular in regions like Southeast Asia, Africa, and parts of Europe where server routing is often inconsistent. And best of all, it doesn't require any crazy setup or advanced networking knowledge. Just install, select your game, and let the booster do the rest. Now let us talk about the main features of the GearUP Booster. Smart Path Selections (SBS). This is GearUP's secret sauce. It uses AI-based routing to choose the best network path to your game server, dynamically adjusting in real time. Wide server coverage. With over 2,000 acceleration nodes around the globe, GearUP has one of the broadest and most distributed networks available for a booster tool. Support for over 1,000 games. From Call of Duty and Fortnite to Mobile Legends, Grand Theft Auto V Online, and Genshin Impact, if it's online, it's probably supported. Cross-platform support. GearUP is available on Windows, Android, iOS, and even some routers. This means you can optimize gaming performance on PC, PS5, Xbox, or mobile devices. Real-time performance monitoring. You get live stats on your ping, latency stability, and routing paths so you can see the improvements as they happen. Safe and non-intrusive. Unlike VPNs, GearUP doesn't mask your IP or trigger region bans. It keeps everything above board while giving you a better connection. Now let's talk about money. The GearUP Game Booster is available to download for free on your devices, either Windows, iOS, or Android. And there are gaming routers for sale currently. The HyperRev Wi-Fi 6 gaming router for PS5, PS4, Xbox, and Switch. This is currently for sale at $55.99 US. But to download the app on your device is free. What are the pros and cons of using the GearUP Booster? I start with the pros. Noticeable reduction in ping and lag in most online games. It is easy to use even for non-tech savvy users. There's excellent support for global games and servers. It is lightweight and doesn't consume system resources. And it doesn't act like a VPN, so no geo-restriction issues. How about the cons? The GearUP Booster does not support all games. Some niche or lesser known titles might not be listed. Depending on your region, some nodes may work better than others. So is GearUP Booster really worth it? In a gaming world where milliseconds can mean the difference between winning and losing, GearUP gives players an undeniable edge. It's not just a band-aid fix for bad internet, it's a smart, evolving solution that genuinely improves performances across hundreds of games. So if you're someone who games competitively, playing cross-region matches, or just wants a smoother gaming experience without rewiring your network, GearUP Booster is definitely worth the investment. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Exit Lag, WT Fast, and No Ping. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.